Cool, so if you just put the hair in a ponytail, and pull about 2/3 of the way down and then roll back up. And where that hair tie touches there, just pop a couple of bobby pins in to secure it. Now open up your bobby pins and just kind of grab the hair loosely and just kind of pull in and around. If you just do that a few times, just sort of building up on the texture at the back. And if you wanted to, you can also put in a few different hair accessories. Do something quite glamorous if you're going to a wedding.